The 15th of February, I am back in Liverpool. My UK tour continues. Are you struggling to start in property? Do you have no idea how and where to actually begin? Well, I am there to help you guys on your journey. I am there if you are already in property and you want to progress even further. I'm there to give you the education that you need. £10 a ticket, you're in a room full of like-minded people, and I deliver the best education in the UK.
People think that making £11,000 from two sourcing deals is a myth.
Basically, I need to buy more properties. I need to keep buying and buying and buying.
Big mistake, not happy about it.
The owner has given them to me for £20,000 less than what the actual agency said. Daily gang, good morning. It is now nearly 10 past 10 and I am on a earn and learn day. So people will join up with me to do things and they will get taught by me, and it's called earn and learn. It's one of the coolest things in property. I get to buy more properties, they get to learn. It's pretty cool. So I've got that today. Reason I'm sitting in the car, because I've just sold 2 deals. So yesterday I got offered a deal in Coventry by an owner, and he's got 2 properties on the same street. And the end user of these are supported living, supported housing. And the 2 properties are really good properties. They need a bit of work doing to them. When I say a bit of work to them, they need a lot of work doing to them, like £150,000 refurbs on both. But they're below market value, as in what the agents are listing them for on their sites, or what they say they will list them for. The owner has given them to me for £20,000 less than what the actual agency said. So is that really below market value? Or is that the real price of the properties where they should be in the market today? I'll let you guys decide that, because I don't believe in the below market value thing. I think it's a myth, basically. But someone has bought both off me. A guy who's already bought some deals off me in the past. Very serious human being, very straight to the point, stands on. It's how business should actually be done. And the sourcing fee on both of those properties was £6,000 each. He's agreed, well, he tried to knock me down to £5,000. We've agreed at £5,500. So I sent the one yesterday, and I told him about the other one this morning. Exactly the same property, same layout, £11,000, and he's agreed. He's not viewed the properties. He's not seen them, only on videos and pictures. The other one I haven't even sent him videos and pictures on yet. And he's ready to buy. He's transferring the money for the sourcing fee today. He's using my solicitors, both cash purchases, but he will be refinancing them through my mortgage company. So I am just dealing with all that now. So I've just had the invoice sent over to him. I'm just going to do an email to my solicitors, and yeah. People think that making £11,000 from 2 sourcing deals is a myth. It's not a myth. It's all about building up your credibility. Social media is a massive way to do that, to get people's name. This guy doesn't want to be on camera. He's not that way inclined, but he'll let me go and show you the properties and tour the properties afterwards. The reason I keep looking, guys, is because there's people waiting for me, so I have to go now. But here's a screenshot of the conversation.
Get up. Pick it up. Get up. Pick it up.
So my meeting is done. Had an unbelievable breakfast. It was beautiful. Never been here before, so impressed. Nice. Meeting went extremely well. Supported living in Surrey. It's an option. It's there on the table. And then 16 to 18 care homes for children. Multiples across Nottingham, Leicester, and Derby. So that's another avenue. So basically I need to buy more properties. I need to keep buying and buying and buying and buying. But I also got to go and check out my my flat conversions. Guys, honestly, the fact that I am going to site in the Midlands and checking everything, I can see the progression and how fast it's going. There's a few things that I shouldn't have done. Specification sheets where the kitchens are like L shapes and stuff in two of the flats. I wish they'd have just been singular walls, but I'll show you what I mean when I get there. But my team are very happy today. Dan's actually, I've sent Dan home because he's not well, is he, Phil?
No, no.
He doesn't look well whatsoever. He looks very, very unwell. So I've sent Dan home for the day. He wouldn't go, he didn't want to go, bless him. But health is way more important than meeting builders and contractors and going around to sign off stuff like that. So Dan, get well soon. Hopefully you're back in action in the next few days. But right now, I feel like having another breakfast even though I'm on this health kick.
Meanwhile,
we have the deal sourcing division in today. I think we've got a good 7 people in. Jay and Kev are here, and I think Attila's on the way, who's the head of the deal sourcing division. So from my understanding, we've got Brendan, who's a new sourcer. He's got one of the deals that he's had a look at home, and he's brought it in basically saying, can we have a go through it? Can we have a look at refurb costs? He's brought his numbers in, and we're basically comparing his numbers to what we can break down, and then the rest of the people that are sitting around the table can have an understanding actually how that's going to be broken down. I think we've got a couple of new people in today that are probably not broken down a deal before and need a little bit of help on kitchens and the way houses work. And also, I assume you've done a bit of filming of what they've been breaking down, kind of what to look for in a Rightmove advert for kind of spotting what needs doing is in terms of the work. So I think everyone's enjoying the fact that we're kind of breaking down deals live, especially because it's someone's from the division that's come in today, you know, coming in his own time and just wants to get a bit further and understand how the deals work within the division and hopefully get it over the line. Busy day today in the office and it's absolutely boiling hot. So, yeah.
Today. Is that? Is it? Two things actually. Guys, 3-phase electrics down there. We're waiting for it to be moved because we need the individual meters in each flat, so that's got to be sorted. So 3-phase is the upgraded electrics for bigger projects like HMOs, flats, self-contained units. Because in your normal house, your 3, 4, 5 bedroom house that you live in right now, the single phase electric runs the whole house, and there's enough power in that single phase in order for you to use multiple things throughout the property. When you're in a property like this and there's multiple people and multiple items and multiple things on, you need to upgrade the single phase power supply to a 3-phase. There's a cost to it, guys. It's not cheap. So if you are doing a house conversion, flat conversion, commercial to residential, commercials usually have it, but if it's not got it, you've got to get the cost to get it upgraded because it can be very expensive and it needs to be in your breakdown of refurb costs. That's the tip of the day. Right, kitchens in here. We have a kitchen running all the way across there and all the way down there like an L shape, and it's all down here and across there. Big mistake, not happy about it. It should have just been across here with units on top, and then tiles on the floor just here and carpet on the rest of the side. It's really pissed me off, to be completely honest. But again, when you see it and then you see it again, I can see it needs changing, but we've had all the plumbing done, so we can't actually change it. And I think if you can get a quick shot in there, I think the bath's in that one. No, it's not, the bath's in the first one. So show them the bath's in that one, and then one of my favourite parts of this house. Bless it is. This isn't my favourite part, but we're passing it. So this is flat number 3, and the kitchen is running all the way along here to there. Okay, and then that'll be the seating area over there, like the lounge part of the kitchen. This will be really cool. This one. This is a good one. And then we've got the steps going up here, guys, into The bedroom. Now, bedroom's a decent size. Bedroom's a very, very good size. With the bathroom here. Shower trays in there, Phil, if you want to show them that. Now, we have two entrances to this flat. This one, and can you step on through there? The reason we have to have that is for fire safety. So that's the kitchen, this is the bedroom. Imagine that was bricked up, and there's a fire in there. We're gonna open the door, go into the kitchen to get out. All the flats have separate entrances. So flat 1 has the entrance through the main door, and it also has an entrance out into the back. Flat 2 has patio doors that are going out into the back and a main entrance at the front. Flat 3 has that one and that one, 2 entrances. And flat 4, the duplex, well, you come down the stairs into a corridor where you've got 2 fire doors. So every flat has a separate entrance to get away in case there's a fire. Windows and doors are on site next week, well, 2 weeks. And bathrooms are all being fitted now. Rendering starts in probably a week from what the contractors told me. 4 weeks to 6 weeks, all finished, complete, done. Unbelievable. They are absolutely stunning as well. They are sensational. Like, these are going to be so good that I cannot wait to show you guys the finished product. And I'm very happy. So let's see if we can squeeze past here and get upstairs and show you the coolest part. This is my favourite part of the entire property. I opened a tiny little door there. I don't know whether Phil's got a shot of it, I don't know. And if he could show you, that'd be cool. If not, we've got to dig it out from somewhere. This was nothing. This was nothingness. This was just like a little bit of a loft space. Look at it now. We have the bath in, toilet, sink, radiator. We can even do something here. We have the 2 windows in the ceiling. The space in here is outrageous. Like, it's such a cool find, and it makes me smile because it's added so much value to the property by just doing this. Now, when I spotted it and I saw it, we had to get our architects here, we had to get our structural engineer here to make sure it was safe and it could be done. The contractor, we had to make sure that he could get it done within the budget that he needed to be done. Added another bedroom, so now we have a 2-bedroom duplex with probably one of the coolest bathrooms that you could possibly see. It's unreal, and it makes me smile because I do hundreds of bathrooms, which they're all the same. You go to have a shower, you go to have a bath, you go to the toilet, you wash your hands and face and you brush your teeth. So I don't know why it's making me so happy, but probably because I found it out of nothing. Daily gang, I'm ending the day. I'm going to the football tonight. We've got Cardiff City. So family time with my family in my box number 11, as you all know. It's been a really good day. Still feeling very under the weather, but we keep moving, we keep going, we keep getting things done. My sourcing division have had an open day at my headquarters in Cornwall Road today. That looked fun. I don't know if Phil can put any pictures in for you, if he's got any or anything like that.
Oh, you filmed it for me, so
you actually filmed it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got some footage of that. Guys, deal sourcing. If you want to learn how to do it properly, join. Get into my deal sourcing division today. Link is below. And also, guys, every week I give away free documents. Link is in the description below. Best strategies, power teams, specification sheets. They're all there, completely free. So I'm signing out now because it's cold. I've got a few calls to make, a few emails to send. Phil's shooting back to the offices, or you're going home, Phil? Which one?
Home.
You're going home, aren't you? You're going to finish the edit at home, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
And I'm going to watch my beloved West Brom with my Isabella and my cruise.
Which you'll see tomorrow.
Yeah, I will film it for you guys. I will actually.
I'm there, what are you on about?
Are you going to film it?
Yeah.
Oh, me and you meet. Oh, yeah, Phil's there tonight. Sorry, you know what, Phil? I completely forgot. Yes, Phil's coming tonight, and Duna, and Amy.
There you go.
That's pretty cool. Little family get together. But yeah, guys, I'm going to get in my car and finish what I need to do, and I will see you guys tomorrow. And remember, keep dreaming big.